Where are you going? I brought all the kids out today. I'm feeding them in a little while. I got them all in one plastic tote because I separate them to feed them. This is my 4 Pastaves and my 2 Enchis. Where are you going? You coming out? You coming out? You gonna come out? You're eating today. Look, they're coming out. Say, okay, we're coming. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You gonna come out? So I'm not sure. Yeah, they're gonna be eating in a little while. Thawing out their food. That's why I thought I'd bring them out for a little bit. Look at you. Look at all of you. Look at all the babies. What'd you find? Hmm? What'd you find? They're like, what is all this brightness out here? There's Star.
Hey, you. You're all wet from your water dish.
Yeah. My daughter Carla. She came to help with the Skilled kids today.
Skilled kids.
Yeah, everybody's getting ready to come out over here, I think. What do you see? Huh? It's grass. This one's
Pastave's over here.
This one's brave. This one's coming out too. We're getting brave in our old age, huh? No. I want to know where you're at. You guys tend to crawl into the grass and get lost.
Pastave touched the grass and backed right up.
Did he?
Yep. Hey, you. What's up?
You gonna come out? I love bringing them outdoors. They love the sunshine. Star, where are you going?
I'm just looking around.
Come out and go back in. Look at this one periscoping over here. What are you looking at? Huh? That sun is hot today. I am so happy warm weather's finally here.
Oh, me too.
Star.
And over the cold.
Where are you going, Star?
She's running away.
Yeah. They got some length on them, look. But the weight's been the issue because they're so picky about eating. Star, where are you off to? How about we come over here so I can keep an eye on Star? Where are you going? They're getting so big. Star, where are you going? I can't even tell what I'm seeing in the camera, it's so bright.
Like a lovely layer of green on my car.
The what?
A lovely layer of green.
From what?
Frickin' maintenance guy mowed the lawn this morning.
Oh, okay. Oh, no. You stay here with us. See,
Yeah, I wasn't gonna go far, just gonna go explore.
All present accounted for. You want to come out? Come on. There we go. People say snakes aren't social animals. I could prove them wrong 1,000 times over. Come on. Let's have a whole big pile here. What do you say? Bring y'all out. Carla helped me keep eye on them. On you. Whoops. Here we go. Bring all the babies out. Let's go.
Snake pile.
Let's go roaming. Everybody's out.
Where do you think you're going?
4 Pastaves, 2 Enchis, and my pied. Star's taking off again. Where are you going, Star?
Star's over here.
Oh, okay.
One of the Enchis is taking
Yeah.
Don't put your head under there, you'll get smushed.
Where are you going? Come back. No, you gotta stay over here where we are. I'm not gonna let you run off.
But why?
They don't
Look how
seem.
bright Pastave is compared to all the rest.
I know it. They don't seem to have a problem with the
Sorry.
sun.
Did I boop you?
She freak you out? I love ball pythons. Look how big Star got. Holy
Where do you think you're going?
They're enjoying this, obviously. Where are you going, Star? Heads up. Oh my goodness. Look at all the snakes. Look at all you.
Bunch of darn fools.
Yep. This one's coming over to you. Stay together. Here, I'll let you film for a while. It's already running. Look at you. What do you think of this stuff, huh? Like the sunshine? Look how dark this one is. The brown and that one. They seem to be enjoying it.
Get back here.
Oops. That one's right under your hip almost. Where are you going? I love the white borders on this one. It's really pretty. Yep. There goes Star. I ain't brushed my hair today. I don't really care. Now where are you off to? Stay here with your brothers and your sisters. Here we go. You stay here too, Star.
Star's like, nope, I don't want to.
Star.
Where are you going?
See, we're traveling. They're like, what the heck is this? They weren't out in the grass last year because they were too young. I'm such a pick-ass about their immune system when they're that young. I don't let them out in the grass. This is their first time really out of the plastic tote and in the yard. Where are you going, Pastave? Pastave? You too. Stay over here. Oops, I'm sorry. Did I head bonk you? Oh, sorry. It starts fast. I'm wasting time moving.
He's like, I am out of here.
Sunshine's good for you, huh? Feels good,
It's
doesn't
about
it?
time we got some darn nice weather.
Yeah, I'm telling you. They're all going that way now.
Listen, the warden says no.
Nope. 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 Back up. Nope.
Sorry.
Bonk. See, your head bonked me. They're getting used to it now. See how fast they're going? This one's colors are changing constantly.
Yeah, I noticed that a few minutes ago. Hey, Pastave, what are you doing? He's over here all by himself.
They're enjoying it.
Star, where are you going?
Back over here. There. Her whites are so... I love the heart in the middle of that dark dot there. They're 3 light brown hearts. See them? 3 scales. It looks just like a heart. Uh-oh.
Listen, squirrelies.
Everybody's trying to take off and hike. You can't go over there. You're still here. There, we got a pile of snakes.
That's one nice thing about them being little is you can pick them up with one hand and not hurt them.
Here we go. That one's picking up speed. Look how light colored the spine is on that one. That's really different. This one's really, really dark. They're just as much individuals as people are, which I find is people don't seem to. That doesn't sink it. You're getting fat. Yeah, you are. You're getting fat, Star.
There's nothing wrong with their activity level.
No. Uh-oh. One of those bumblebees that live in the ground. They're leaving us.
Someday they're gonna have to grow up and go out on their own.
Yeah, they will. They're doing pretty good, actually. Surprise. You come here. You just don't want to stay in one place too much. Get your head out of the way for a pinch your nose. That one's in the shade over there by your leg.
Sun a little bit too much for you, buddy?
Here you go. Hey. Hey.
That was my shoe you hooked on.
Why there? Yeah, they only tolerate us, can't you tell? Look. You only tolerate me, huh? I love this shirt.
Snake lives matter.
Yeah. Where you off to? Look how yellow this one is. They're all so entirely different.
You got
Here, go cool off. This one's kind of chubby. Here, let's cool off some. Let's go over here and get in the shade. So what the heck? I went all that distance, so you picked me up and put me right back. Yeah. All three heads up right there.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you off to? Where are you going? Oh, look, they're periscoping. Both of them. What do you see? 3 of them with their heads up over there.
Yep. Whoa, sorry. Apparently I offended them.
There you go. It's a race. It's a race. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You coming over here to tolerate me? Look at that bright yellow. That's real. Looks like pastel on that one. Well, that's what Pastave is, really. Mojave and pastel.
Nice try, pal.
It's good to see one with the pastels coming out, though, and coloring.
And escape.
2 of them, actually. This one's got the pastel color.
Pastave's trying to escape, too.
Yeah. Whoa. She turned you upside down.
Say, I'll live. Nope, we're not running away.
Look at all the worms. Look at all the worms. You coming to tolerate me some more? Huh? You coming to tolerate me? Tell Carla to get a picture of this. They're coming to tolerate me. You coming to tolerate
They're coming and hiding out under my legs.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, I see him.
She turned you upside down.
Bloop. Come here.
Doo-doo. Doo-doo.
Are we missing one?
Huh?
Are we missing one?